Every day, Sir Topham Hatt came to the station. "Hello," he said to Thomas. Don't let the silly freight cars tease you. You have an important job as a special helper in the yard. There were a lot of freight cars, and Thomas worked very hard, pushing and pulling them into place. There was also a small coach and two strange things his driver called cranes. "That's the breakdown train," his driver said. "The cranes are for lifting engines and coaches and freight cars." One day, James came rushing through too fast. "Help, help, they're pushing me," he panted. On, 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 laughed the freight cars. Soon came the alarm. "James is off the line. Get the breakdown train quickly." Thomas was coupled on, and off they went. Thomas worked his hardest. "Hurry, hurry, hurry," he puffed. bother those freight cars and their tricks. I hope poor James isn't hurt. They found James in a field. James's driver and firemen were feeling James all over to see if he was hurt. Thomas pushed the breakdown train along to James. He pulled the freight cars out of the way. Oh dear, they groaned. Sirs, you right. Sirs, you right, puffed Thomas. Thomas helped James back to the shed. Thomas, you're a really useful engine, said Sir Topham Hatt. And you shall have a branch line all to yourself. Oh, thank you, sir, said Thomas. Now, Thomas is as happy as can be. He has a branch line and 2 coaches called Annie and Clarabelle. He puffs proudly, backwards and forwards with them all day.